Welcome to BuySpares. In this video we are replacing the guard assembly on a Flymo grass trimmer. Important: before replacing a part in any electrical appliance, you must ensure it is first disconnected from the mains. If you have noticed the guard on your trimmer has become loose, or worse, broken, then it will need to be replaced. The guard is here, which provides the protection from the line as it cuts the grass. Turn the trimmer over and start by taking the spool cover off. There are two clips on either side that locate into the housing. Apply pressure on the clips on both sides to release the spool cover. Lift the spool and line out and pull the line out of the slots on both sides of the spool holder. To release the guard, you'll need a flat blade screwdriver. There is a locator on the guard to help fit it into the correct position. We can show you on the new one. There are two release tabs on either side of the guard located here. The locator is here. Push the flat blade into the recess to release the tabs. And when they have unlocked, you can twist the guard anti-clockwise to release and lift off. We can now put the new guard into position, remembering to locate it with the arrow indicator on the guard. Once in place, just turn it clockwise to lock. Refit the spool and line back into position. Fit the cover easily by clipping it back into place. And there we have it, the guard assembly replaced on a Flymo grass trimmer. For all the spares you need, visit the BuySpares website.